Welcome back to HaHu Tube. Today, we are walking through part 1 of the 2018 Grade 8 English Ministry exam covering questions 1 through 20. Before we start, make sure to visit our Telegram channel, HaHu Tube, to download the full exam paper in PDF format for free.
Read the passage and answer questions following it. The passage reads as follows. Peace is very important in every community. It brings development, happiness, and unity. When there is peace, children can go to school safely. Farmers can work freely on their land and families can live without fear. People respect one another and solve problems through discussion instead of fighting. In many villages, elders play an important role in keeping peace. When disagreements happen, they listen to both sides and encourage forgiveness and understanding. With their wisdom and traditional conflict resolution methods, they help people rebuild trust and keep the community strong and united. Schools also teach the value of peace. Students learn cooperation, tolerance, and respect. Teachers encourage them to share ideas politely and solve disagreements calmly. When people live peacefully, they can build roads, schools, and health centers, and their communities can grow and develop. Therefore, everyone has the responsibility to promote peace in their family, school, and community. Based on the above passage, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not mentioned in the passage that plays a role in creating peace? A. Elders. B. Schools. C. Religious leaders. Or D. Teachers. The answer is religious leaders. Paragraph 2 mentions elders. Elders play an important role in keeping peace, it says. And paragraph 3 mentions schools, which says schools also teach the value of peace. And teachers, the paragraph mentioned as saying teachers encourage them to share ideas politely. Religious leaders are not mentioned anywhere in the passage. Question number 2. What is the main idea of paragraph 2? A. The importance of peace. B. The fact that peace is better than conflict. C. The role of village elders in keeping peace. Or D. The role of schools in teaching about the value of peace. The correct answer is the role of village elders in keeping peace. Paragraph 2 focuses specifically on how elders maintain community harmony, stating, in many villages, elders play an important role in keeping peace. When disagreements happen, they listen to both sides. Let's go. Question number 3. Where do students learn about such important values as cooperation, tolerance, and respect according to the passage? A. From their friends. B. In villages. C. From their families. Or D. In schools. The answer for this question is in schools. Paragraph 3 explicitly states schools also teach the value of peace. Students learn cooperation, tolerance, and respect. Question number 4. As used in paragraph 3, line 2, what does the pronoun them refer to? A. Schools. B. Cooperation and tolerance. C. Teachers. Or D. Students. The answer is students. The text reads, teachers encourage them to share ideas politely. Here, them refers back to the students who are learning in schools. Let's go to question number 5. It says, as used in paragraph 2, line 3, what does the pronoun they refer to? A. Many villages. B. Elders. C. Both sides. Or D. Disagreements. The answer is elders. Paragraph 2 status. When disagreements happen, they listen to both sides with their wisdom and traditional conflict resolution methods. They help people rebuild trust. The pronoun they refers to elders. Question number 6. As used in paragraph 3, line 5, what does the word promote mean? A. Encourage. B. Stop. C. Decrease. Or D. Undermine. If you say encourage, that's right. To promote peace means to support, foster, or encourage it within a community. Which contains similar meaning to the original sentence. Question number 7. Although the test was difficult, all students passed. What does this mean? A. The test was difficult and all students failed. B. The test was difficult but all students passed. C. The test was difficult so all students passed. Or D. The test was difficult, as a result all students failed. The correct answer is the test was difficult, but all students passed. The conjunction although shows contrast, which is equivalent to using but. Option B correctly retains the original meaning that despite the difficulty, everyone passed. Question number 8. Traveling by a bus is not as fast as traveling by a plane. What does it mean? A. Traveling by a bus is faster than traveling by a plane. B. Traveling by a plane is faster than traveling by a bus. C. Plane traveling is slower than bus traveling. Or D. A plane and a bus are equal in speed. The correct answer is traveling by plane is faster than traveling by bus. If bus travel is not as fast as plane travel, it means a plane moves at a higher speed than a bus. Means plane travel is faster. The next is vocabulary. Question number 9 says, the road in Addis Ababa is blank with a lot of cars every morning, so it's difficult to get to work in time. A. Congested. B. Cleared. C. Visited. Or D. Painted. The answer is congested. Congested means overcrowded or blocked with traffic, which directly explains why getting to work on time is difficult. Hence, the complete sentence will be, the road in Addis Ababa is congested with a lot of cars every morning, so it's difficult to get to work in time.
If you're finding these explanations helpful, hit the like button right now and share this video with your classmates. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next part. Let's go.
Question number 10. There was a car accident in our village this morning. The accident was so bad that many injuries and blank were reported. A. Survivors. B. Travelers. C. Saved lives. Or D. Fatalities. If you say fatalities, that's right. Because in the context of severe accidents, fatalities or death pairs naturally with injuries to describe terrible outcomes. Hence, the complete sentence will be, there was a car accident in our village this morning. The accident was so bad that many injuries and fatalities were reported. Question number 11. Deforestation has blank the life of many wild animals in Africa. A. Protected. B. Secured, C. Threatened, or D. Defended? The answer is threatened. Deforestation destroys natural habitats, thereby putting or threatening wildlife lives in danger. Let's go to question number 12. It says, there are different ways for teachers to use to blank good behavior in their classrooms. For example, they can use verbal praising, rewarding materials, and others. A. Reinforce, B. Weaken, C. Reduce, or D. Discourage. The correct answer is reinforce. Reinforce means to encourage or strengthen a desired behavior through positive actions like praise and rewards. Hence, the complete sentence will be, there are different ways for teachers to use to reinforce good behavior in their classrooms. For example, they can use verbal praising, rewarding materials, and others. Question number 13. Many tourists come to Lalibela every year. This has blank economic activity in the surrounding communities. The city is also growing. A. Stimulated, B. Prevented, C. Weakened, or D. Minimized. The answer is stimulated. Stimulated means encouraged or boosted, which fits the context of local growth and increased business due to tourism. Hence, the complete sentence will be, many tourists come to Lalibela every year. This has stimulated economic activity in the surrounding communities. The city is also growing. Question number 14. Private schools have increased their school fee. Hence, many students are unable to pay it. What does the word fee means in this sentence? A. Gift, B. Tax, C. Payment, or D. Prize? Did you say gift? No, the answer is not gift. Rather, the answer is payment. A fee refers to money paid for a service or instruction, or a required payment. Question number 15. Because people in our village are not careful, some diseases spread very quickly. In this sentence, the meaning of the word spread can be A. Transmit, B. Stop, C. Reduce, or D. Give. The answer is transmit. In medical or health contexts, for a disease to spread means to transmit or pass from person to person. Question number 16. We can eliminate many health problems by keeping our personal hygiene. Based on this sentence, what is the meaning of the word eliminate? A. Increase, B. Multiply, C. Remove, or D. Maximize. The answer is remove. Eliminate means to completely remove, eradicate, or get rid of something. Question number 17. Ethiopian National Museum shows both ancient and contemporary Ethiopian artists. As used in this sentence, the meaning of the word contemporary is A. Modern, B. Old, C. Primitive, or D. Historical. The answer is modern. Contemporary means belonging to or occurring in the present time or modern, which contrasts directly with ancient. Question number 18. We have to promote afforestation in order to save endangered wild animals. As used in this sentence, the meaning of the word endangered is A. Dangerous, B. Safe, C. Threatened, or D. Powerful. The answer is threatened. Endangered species are those at risk of extinction, meaning they are threatened. Here is reading passage 2. The passage reads as follows. Floods are one of the most common natural disasters in the world, second only to fires. They occur in many countries and can cause serious damage to homes, farms, roads, and bridges. Floods can also lead to injuries and sometimes the loss of life. Although scientists cannot always predict the exact time a flood will happen, they can study weather and environmental conditions to warn people when flooding is likely. One major cause of floods is melting snow. In some places, large amounts of snow collect during the cold season. When the weather suddenly becomes warm, it melts very quickly. This creates a large volume of water that flows into rivers and streams. Flooding becomes worse when the ground cannot absorb the extra water. For example, if the soil is already wet or frozen, the water stays on the surface and flows into rivers. Sometimes rivers are covered with ice during winter. When the ice breaks into large pieces, it can block the river and create a temporary dam. This causes water to build up and overflow onto a nearby land. Human activities can also cause floods. Large dams are built to store water and produce electricity. However, if a dam becomes weak or breaks, a huge amount of water can rush out suddenly. This fast-moving water can destroy houses, farms, and roads. Although floods cannot always be prevented, understanding their causes helps people prepare and reduce their harmful effects. Based on this passage, answer the following questions. Question number 19. Which paragraph talks about scientists who study weather and environmental conditions? A. Paragraph 2, B. Paragraph 4, C. Paragraph 3, or D. Paragraph 1. The answer is paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 states, scientists cannot always predict the exact time a flood will happen. They can study weather and environmental conditions to warn people. To the last question of part 1, question number 20. It says, as used in paragraph 1, line 2, what does the pronoun they refer to? A. All natural disasters, B. Floods, C. Fires, or D. Many countries. The answer is floods. Paragraph 1 begins, floods are one of the most common natural disasters in the world. They occur in many countries. Here, they refers to floods.
That wraps up questions 1 to 20. Head over to our Telegram channel HaHu Tube to get the printable PDF file, and click the video on your screen right now to jump straight into part 2.